सो दोस्तों ब्लास्ट एशिया 2025 में एक और नई वीडियो आपको लेके आया हूँ। लेके पहुंचा हूँ चेन्नई बेस्ड ऐसी कंपनी इसके पास जो कि पाउच मेकिंग मशीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करती है। आप लोगों के लिए किस तरीके की मशीन है, किस तरीके से भाई जुड़ सकते हो, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। तो हमारे साथ इस कंपनी के ओनर बेसिकली, तो बात कर लेते हैं किस तरीके का पूरा प्रोसेस होने वाला है। सो प्लीज एक्सप्लेन योर सेल्फ एंड your machinery related to this exhibition. What kind of a machinery we are showcasing in this exhibition?
So good evening to everyone. So myself Madan Kumar from Madan Packaging Machines.
Okay.
We are in-house manufacturing for all pouch making, bag making,
Okay.
and ziplock bag making, hanger bag making machineries.
Great.
So this is a center seal pouch making machine which we are exhibited right now. It's existing fully in Chennai, and this has been almost 26 years since we started this company.
तो दोस्तों क्या क्या मशीनें हैं, किस तरीके से वर्किंग करती है, आपको सारा प्रोसेस दिखाया जाएगा। और भी काफी सारी इनके सैम्पलिंग के साथ मशीनें क्या क्या है वो भी हम दिखाते हैं। और जो भी चैनल से जुड़ना चाह रहा है, नीचे कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर दिए गए हैं। कंपनी को कॉल करना चाहे तो मशीन बिजनेस के बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे नंबर दिया गया है, बिजनेस भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं इससे जुड़ के। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और जो भी चैनल पर नया जुड़ा है वीडियो को शेयर करके जरूर जाएगा ताकि ऐसी बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज वीडियोस आती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
This is our machine, and right now I'm going to explain the working principle and what are the components present in the machine. So this is the sample roll which we are using for this exhibition, and this is the air shaft which is going to be like inserted in the roll. So we are going to pass the roll through the A-frame unit, which is this one, which is used basically for the forming. Either it's for the center folding or the side sealing. So then you come here, you can see this is the center universal forming unit. So with this, you can change each sizes. You don't have to change the forming sheets for each and every size you require.
Okay.
So now is the center seal unit. So here you get the center sealing for the pouches. If you see here, this is called the center seal, and the center seal is happening in this unit. If you come before, this is the side sealing, which is not working right now, which is not used right now for this specific pouch. So then, if you come here, this is called the unwind rubber roller, which is pulling the film from the main roll, and here we can do the bottom sealing. In this machine, we have provided 2 stations of bottom sealing with 1 cooling station. This is the mark seal. Mark sensor. So for when you are running a printed job, to get high precision and accuracy, this mark sensor will be turned on, which will capture the black, or based on your pouch printing you can keep it anywhere, and it will be grasping the pouch as per the length. Now here is the cutting. If you see here, this is the cutting point.
Okay.
So here once the cutting is done, the roll form pouch will be coming in this form. So this is called the center sealing, and this is called the bottom sealing.
So this machinery basically working for complete packaging for industry.
Yeah, it is basically for food packaging sorts of things. We have machines for automobile industries also, as well as medical industries also. So right now we have presented is entirely for pouch making, food industry grade.
Okay. So can you explain how is it work basically for functional by function? How can we start from machine?
Yeah, it's basically everything. Once it is set up, everything you can control it from the HMI. So here you can set the bag length, production speed, and if you go to the production report also and production log, for how many days, for how many time the machine has been started, the machine has stopped, you can get the production data from it. So that you don't have to sit and check the data book which your operator is writing. Everything will be present in this machine, which can be exported to an Excel format. So every data will be in your system as well as the machine. You don't have to worry about the production data. You can see how long the machine was on and how long the machine was idle. So these things you can check from it. Once you start, you want to start the machine? Right. Once the machine everything is set up, you just hold this button and the machine starts running. If you see now, the machine has started to run and the roll is getting rewinded from the roll and going to the main machine. Now this is the forming unit. You can see how it is getting formed. The film is getting formed by folding on the both sides, and the center is stood up and it is getting sealed in here. You see here, the center is getting sealed.
Okay.
And
After the sealing,
After that sealing, this both are also sealing.
Okay.
One sealing one, sealing two. Then here it is getting cooled. It is the cooling area. Then once it is cooled, if you see here, the mark sensor. I
Amazing.
explained no. It will be getting captured exactly at the same point where you teached it.
Okay. So what is the output from this machine?
This runs at 180 strokes per minute with a bag length of 210 in length. It runs up to 180 and the actual speed is 186. You can see the entire data here.
So this is the final output.
Yeah, this is the final output.
Okay. So this machine is basically for customization is also available.
Yeah, we do special purpose also. We have manufactured more than 40 special purpose machineries which is provided to North, US as well as UAE. So I'll show you a few samples of it.
Yeah, sure.
So if you see, these bags are center sealing with 190 microns, 190 to 200 microns. So, and this is called stand-up zippers. So this is stand-up pouch. This is stand-up zipper. You can see a ziplock here. So this is a bottom seal bag making machine. With this you can run biodegradable bags also. We also do bags with hangers. So these are for garment bags.
Okay.
And this is spring zip, the ziplock zipper machine, and this spring zip is totally different machine. This is called a side seal bag making machine. This is for this one. For these samples, this machine.
Okay. So basically you manufacturing all kind of machinery related packaging industries. Okay. So basically if we talk about this machine for safety features, so what is the
Safety features. So you can get mark sensor errors. Once if the mark gets missed within 2 to 3 pouches, the machine will stop and let you know the mark is not on the right position. And emergency stops are present here and in the front. So in this we have provided a pneumatic cylinder which will make sure if your hand gets near the blade, your finger won't be getting cut, because the pneumatic pressure will be releasing the cylinder so that it will protect your finger from getting cut off.
Okay. And if we talk about this machine, the warranty guarantee have you taken?
It is 1 year warranty, manufacturer warranty for electrical as well as mechanical. The service would be provided all over the world. Like as of now, we are providing services for US, UAE, everything without any issues.
If we talk about what is the right process to connect with you, your
So,
machinery.
if you want to contact us, the entire contact details has been given in this video. Please check the video and contact us.